Hello all. Today we are going to see about organization. I am S Harini, currently pursuing second year BCom CS batch 1922 from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Difference between formal and informal organization. Basic terms: formal organization, informal organization. Formation: account for delegation of authority, account for social interaction of the people, emphasis on terms of authority and functions, people and their relationships. Creation: deliberately, spontaneously, authority, positions, persons. Control structure: set rules, regulations, rights and duties, has unwritten rules and norms. Hierarchical authority: from top to bottom, flows upward or horizontally. Size of the organization: large, comparatively small. Objective: earn profit, social satisfaction. Stability: exist performantly. Unstable. Necessity: satisfy needs and wants of people, essential for every enterprise. Position: as an ideal form of position, as informal positions. Focus on work performance. Interpersonal relationship. Communication: official communication, grapevine. Types of organization. Of the various types of organization, the following ones are very popular: line organization, line and staff organization, functional organization, committee organization, project organization, and matrix organization. Line organization. The line organization, also known as the military organization, is the oldest form of organization. In such an organization, the superior at the top makes decisions and communicates his decision and assigns certain work to his immediate subordinate. The subordinate, in turn, makes certain decisions within the scope of his authority and assigns certain work to his own subordinate, and so on. There is a vertical downward flow of authority and an upward flow of responsibility in such an organization. As the military is organized in this fashion, the line organization is given the name military organization. The concept of line organization may be explained by means of a diagram. Line organization: general manager, production manager, assistant production manager, foreman, workers. Line and staff organization. In this organization, staff experts who are specialists in specific areas assist the line personnel. These experts do not have the power to command any subordinate other than those who are under their direct control. They also do not have the authority to take decisions on vital issues. The staff experts provide relief to the line personnel when the latter are overburdened with work. Type of staff: personal staff or private security, specialist staff, technically qualified, general staff, assistant staff. Line and staff organization: general manager, manager purchase, manager production, manager quality control, manager production, service engineer, office spares, foreman 1, foreman 2, foreman 3. Functional organization. In a functional organization, there will be a separate department to look after different lines of activities. The purchase department, for example, will take care of all matters pertaining to purchase. The production department will look after all production related activities. Sales, advertising, control of salesmen, etc. will be taken care of by the marketing department. Recruitment of staff, selection, placement, salary administration, training, etc. are the activities performed by the personnel department. Each department will be headed by a manager and will work accordingly to hierarchy. The concept of functional organization may be explained by means of simple diagram. Board of Directors, Managing Directors, Production Manager, Marketing Manager, Personnel Manager, Foreman 1, Foreman 2, Sales Officer 1, Sales Officer 2, Officer Trainee, Officer Salary, Workers, Sales Representatives, Assistants. Committee organization. A committee is a group of persons entrusted with a certain task. The committee members are expected to discuss the problem under consideration in detail and come out with a solution. The board of directors of a company or a trade union of workers may be cited as an example of a committee. A member of committee may be created in a concern depending upon the requirements. The head of the different department will be the members of a such committee. The committee may meet at regular interval and discuss the progress of work at various levels. Types of committees. Committees are usually classified into the following types: standing or permanent committee, temporary or ad hoc committee, executive committee, advisory committee, formal committee and informal committee. Project organization. The concept of project organization became popular particularly after World War II. It may be successfully adopted if it is necessary to manage a small number of large projects. Each project team has specialists in different fields. The project manager would coordinate the activities of the team members. The specimen of a project organization is given below. General Manager, Manager Project A, Manager Project B, Engineering, R&D, Quality Control, Accounts. Engineering, R&D, Quality Control, Accounts. Matrix Organization. Matrix organization is considered suitable where a large number of small projects will have to be managed. A matrix organization is also known as a multiple command system as it has two chains of command, that is, the flow of authority is both vertical, line authority, as well as horizontal, project authority. Separate departments are established for each specified task. The specimen of a matrix organization is given below. Matrix organization: General Manager, Manager Production, Manager R&D, Manager Personnel, Manager Accounts, Manager Project A, Production Group, R&D Group, Personnel Group, Accounts Group. Manager Project B, Production Group, R&D Group, Personnel Group, Accounts Group. Thank you.